Hi everyone, it's me again, and I thought I would do a video about reasons to become a vegetarian. So the number one reason I think you should become a vegetarian is because of health. I saw a major improvement in my skin, in my digestive system, and that was amazing. The improvement in those areas was unbelievable. And various other, systems in the body just seemed to improve when I became a vegetarian. The second reason why you should become a vegetarian is because vegetables are very easy for your body to break down and process and turn into energy. And so as a result, I can say this for a fact, I experienced greater energy. I felt more energized, I felt more alive, or whatever you want to call it, but I did feel a boost there. And I will tell you, as a vegetarian, that sometimes you are going to need B12. That will help you because that's something that's in meat that you need to get and you won't get anywhere else. Another thing that I really appreciate in terms of being a vegetarian is food costs are significantly lower if you are a vegetarian than if you are a meat eater. And while I can't say, I was particularly trying to save money on food or anything like that, I would say that it was a significant change that I did see because the cost of vegetables is just smaller, and also its impact on the environment is much less. But a lot of people will ask me, why did you become a vegetarian? Because I know some people become vegetarians because they have some sort of moral belief, or they feel like you shouldn't kill a sentient being, you shouldn't eat a sentient being, or whatever it could be. How it actually got started is that one time I decided to do it for a week, and then that stretched into 2 weeks, it went to a month, and then before long I was doing it for all of my life. Just in terms of the way that I believe and the way that I think, I actually do believe plants are alive, they feel, they grow. So it's not for a moral reason. It's not because I'm trying to save the environment. I just decided to do it. It's always been something that I have done. And when I started seeing the benefits, I'm just like, no, I don't ever want to go back. Being a vegetarian or a vegan is not going to change how fast you process energy and things like that. There are things you can do to increase your metabolism, but they have nothing to do with becoming a vegetarian or a vegan. And I would suggest that you consult a doctor before moving forward with any kind of new diet. Don't think you're going to become a vegetarian and then you're going to become the size of someone who has a certain kind of metabolism build, from whatever part of the world that they come from. That also influences what your size will be, what your height will be, things of that nature. It's just genetics. Not all science covers all cultures, I won't say cultures, all races. And as much as we like to think that we are all the same, we are not. Just the way that African Americans process vitamin D versus other groups is a clear indication that there are distinct differences when it comes to different races and groups of people. So it's important for you to understand the place where you come from, the region of the world where you come from, the way people process, And I'm going to be honest too, another thing I'll say is I never really ate a lot of meat to begin with. Mostly ate chicken and fish. So phasing those out was not too hard. These are the reasons why I think you should become a vegetarian if you want. So thanks so much. Bye.